Hi there, everybody. So I'm making rocket fuel right now. I have a bunch of different chemicals and I want to make a rocket fuel that burns quickly to shoot off little shotgun shells. The classic rocket candy where you have some sugar and some potassium nitrate, it's not powerful enough for those really small rockets. So what I'm making now is kind of a less powerful variant of gunpowder. So to make this, I have everything except for charcoal, and to make the charcoal, I have some sawdust in here. I'm just going to put some aluminum foil over it, and poke some holes in it so the gases can come out. And then I'll put it in my kind of charcoal maker here that I just cut the lid off of an old propane tank, and I'll hook a piece of 1/2-inch pipe up to my vacuum and turn it on backwards so it pushes air in, and it should get this really hot. Now I'm worried it will melt off the aluminum. It might melt the aluminum. I'm going to try not to get it that hot, just hot enough to turn the sawdust into charcoal. So I'm going to put this down there and light it, put some air in there, and hopefully turn that into charcoal. Alright, so it's all done. I replaced the aluminum foil with this other tin can that fit right in the side. I drilled a hole in that, and that worked a lot better. Yeah, the aluminum foil just melted right off. Looks like charcoal to me. Real nice and black. Still warm. Yeah. Well, let's see how much we got. Alright, so 21, almost 22 grams. Not a whole lot, but it was a small can. Alright, it's all done. It looks really good. A little bit coarser than I would like it to, but I can always run it through the ball mill or something like that to get it finer. So this is going into my homemade rocket mix. Stay tuned for that upcoming video, and I'll see you later.